Now we will see the bimetallic strip. Where is that pen? Okay. So bimetallic strip. So what is a bimetallic strip? Bimetallic strip is a bi means two, metal means two metal. So they are like two different kinds of metal. Bimetallic strip. Bimetallic strip. Suppose we have one metal, suppose aluminum here. So another metal, suppose copper. So both the metals are very strongly combined or reverted. So here, in case of aluminum, the coefficient of linear expansion alpha equal to Al. Suppose Al, and coefficient of linear expansion in case of copper equal to suppose Cu. Now, suppose two different metals, right? So in case of iron, what happens? In case of iron, so if the temperature increases at a certain point, it will going to automatically power off. Then when the temperature decreases, then it will again powering on. So this is one of the example of bimetallic strip. In case of fire alarms, what is going to happen? There is something called as a circuit. This is suppose strip. If some like air or something like a heat flows or heat strikes, then the strip is going to downward movement and it completes the circuit. So this is one of the example like fire alarm or our electric iron. These are all bimetallic strip examples. So I have one desi jugaad of this bimetallic strip. This is the aluminum strip. This is the aluminum foil, and this is the plain paper. I just attached with the help of the normal gum. Now this is our, see, this is the aluminum, this is the paper. So both are having different coefficient of expansion. So one will expand very largely or more, other is going to expand very lessly. So let's heat and see where it is going to bend. If it is going to bend in the upward direction, that means this one is pushing upward. If it is pushing downward, then this paper's alpha is more. That means what? Suppose, let's see. It starts moving. Just see it starts bending upward direction. That means what? It is trying to push alpha of this aluminum is trying to push towards in this direction. Okay, let's see one more time. This is moving towards see. That means what is going to happen? Just see it here. I am doing one more time. लाइट रहे ठीक है। Here. Suppose this is my bimetallic strip. One side is the aluminum, other side the paper. Although this is not a metal. Okay, just see. I'm just hitting it. See how it is going down. See, wow. See, now it's like bend as like a curve. That means alpha of the aluminum is more. That means it is trying to push towards in the downward direction. Okay, so if it is bending, okay, suppose this is the this is the alpha, or suppose this is theta. This is suppose this is the brass, this is copper. This is alpha copper, this is the alpha of brass. That means alpha of brass is greater than the alpha of copper. Alpha brass is greater than alpha of copper. Here our value is alpha of brass is greater than alpha of copper. Now we have to find the radius of curvature, or what is the value of the R. What is the value of R we are going to find. L, then L equal to R into theta. L equal to R into theta. If this is the distance of the thickness D, D is the distance of the thickness, then L equals to R plus E into theta. Distance equal to, so in case of brass, L equal to, what is the formula of L? L equal to L0 into 1 plus alpha into delta T. LB equals to, what is L0? L0, let it be. Okay, so 1 plus alpha B into delta T. LB, R plus D into theta equal to L0 into 1 plus alpha B into delta T, equation number 1. Similarly, in case of copper, L equal to how much? L theta, R theta equals to L0 into 1 plus alpha C into delta T, equation number 2. Okay, so equation 1 by 2 equal to R plus D into theta divided by R theta equal to L0 into 1 plus alpha B into delta T divided by into 1 plus alpha C into delta T. L0 cancel out, theta theta cancel out. Okay, I am erasing So this is r by bar 1 plus d by r equal to 1 plus alpha b into delta t into 1 plus this one goes to up minus 1. If you do the expansion, alpha c into delta t to the power minus 1. So 1 plus d by r equal to 1 plus alpha b into delta t alpha b into delta t 1 minus alpha c into delta t. So if you expand 1 plus 1 minus alpha c into delta t plus alpha b into delta t minus alpha b into alpha c into delta t square. This is 1 plus d by r 1 cancel out, 1 cancel out. So alpha, if you do multiplication of alpha b into alpha c, or you do the alpha b into alpha c, or you do square or cube, it will value will be very less. So it will be the outside this trending very much. So you might have going to see. So d by r equals to जबरदस्त बारिश हो रहा है. ओके, अल्फा बी माइनस अल्फा सी इंटू डेल्टा टी. सो डी बाई आर इक्वल्स टू alpha b minus alpha c divided into delta t. So r by d equals to 1 by alpha b minus alpha c into delta t. That means you can also write it as r radius proportional to 1 by alpha b minus alpha c into delta 2 into delta t. This is one of the like exam question, that radius of curvature of a bimetallic strip depends upon option number 1, option there are 4 options there. So in that question, suppose r is inversely proportional to the magnitude of this one and also inversely proportional to the temperature. If the temperature will increase, the radius of curvature will be going to decrease. That means more the temperature, the bending will be more. Less the temperature, the less is the bending. So this is all about this one. Then next class we will see